2081, Shrestha, 24th, this 24th, Thursday, right? And 25th, Friday, and 26th, Saturday. Lovely day. So yesterday I told some of the students to present and they were not able to present well, but some they presented in outstanding way. So I want to see the presentation from each student in an outstanding way. Okay. So without wasting time, let's welcome on the stage Biresh Maharjan. Kritika has already sent. See, sincere students remain always sincere.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to.
Your sound is very low. People they cannot hear. A bit loudly.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to our science teacher and dear friends. As you know, it may be the Maharjan from class 9. I am discussing MCQ question. Answer.
Okay.
Which hormone is?
No, you can move a little bit up. More up. Yes.
Which hormone is responsible for preparation of the body to face emergency? Answer is adrenaline.
Adrenaline. Okay.
Which hormone is produced by the pancreas? Glucagon. And C number question. Which of the following gland is the exocrine gland? The answer is thyroid gland.
Thyroid gland or tear gland?
Tear.
Spelling or pronunciation it must be correct, boys and girls.
Which of the following gland is the mixed gland? Pancreas. Which gland is also called the master gland?
That much only?
No sir, down also.
Okay. What is the answer?
Answer is.
Have a nice day. Very good. Okay, once again let's check here. So you can check in that one. Okay, please read the question. Which hormone is responsible for preparation of the body to face emergency? There are given 4 options. What are they? Insulin, glucagon, adrenaline and parathormone. What is the correct answer? And answer is adrenaline. Okay? Adrenaline is correct answer. Okay. Next one is number B. Which hormone is produced by the pancreas? Yeah, insulin and glucagon means what is the correct option? Number D. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Something mistake. That glucagon should be in B and adrenaline should be in C.
C. Oh, he did mistake. Yes, you should not do. Okay, AN. Okay. Why did you do mistake like that? Don't do mistake. Okay. Number C. What is the question? Which of the following gland is the exocrine gland? What is the answer? Tear gland, right? And next one. Which of the following gland is the mixed gland? Pancreas. Pancreas is mixed gland. That's right. Number E. What is that? Which gland is also called the master gland? Pituitary gland. That's right. I think student whom I have sent home to send the slide.
Oh, this is different.
What is she doing?
Click on control and explain.
Your duty is to explain about adrenal gland.
No, sir. Others are also here.
Yesterday you were saying
Pituitary gland.
Yeah, but
Now what you have to say, explain.
endocrine, yes, explain. If you are taking this and you are confused.
Namaste and one good morning to our respected science teacher and my dear classmates. As you all know, my name is Smarika Bhujel from grade 9. Here today to present about endocrine glands in our body. So before starting my presentation, I would like to thank our science teacher for giving me an opportunity to present in front of all of you today. Now, without delay, I would like to start my presentation. So, endocrine glands in human body. Endocrine glands are the first gland in endocrine glands are adrenal gland. Adrenal glands are known as suprarenal glands. They are small triangular shaped glands located in top of both kidneys. So in top of both kidneys there are adrenal glands, and they produce various hormones that regulate your metabolism, immune system, blood pressure, etc. They are composed of two parts, which are the cortex and the medulla, which are each responsible for producing different hormones. This can lead to adrenal insufficiency, also known as Addison's disease. Next is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is a pea-sized gland that is housed within a body structure at the base of the brain. It is also called the master gland, and it secretes stimulating hormones like THS, which stands for thyroid stimulating hormone, ADS, antidiuretic hormone, etc. It also secretes growth hormone, which pituitary gland is also secretes the growth hormone, and the hormone produced by the pituitary gland are not all produced continuously. Instead, most are released in bursts every 1 or 3 hours. Next is pancreas. Pancreas is a large gland in the back of our abdomen, belly. It is a part of our digestive system and our endocrine system. Pancreas secretes insulin and glucagon. Next is parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland lies just behind the thyroid gland in the neck. Parathyroid gland they are 4 in number. They secrete the hormone called parathormone. They are important in tightly controlling calcium levels in the bloodstream. Because of this, calcium levels are generally very stable. This is important to ensure the nervous system and the body's muscles can work properly, and also that bones remain strong. The next is thyroid gland. It is situated on the neck, one on either side of the upper part of the trachea. The section of the gland is called thyroxine, which contains iodine. It controls general metabolism. If the secretion is less, there is retardation of physical and mental growth, along with dry skin, slow pulse rate, and less sweating. Speech becomes slurred and worse, which is called cyanotism. That means cretinism. Gonads. The last and final one is gonads. And gonads is the testes in male and ovary in female, which are the main reproductive organs, which are also called gonads. They are endocrine glands, production of sperms and secretion of the male sex hormone called the testosterone, and the production of mature ova and sex hormone by the female reproductive organ is called estrogen. These glands produce hormones for reproduction and other parts of the body, and male and female reproductive organs. They are used to reproduce and increase. They're used to reproduce. Thank you. Have a great day.
That's it. Thank you, Smarika. So, Smarika, she has brought, I think these slides are made from Canva. Or from which you have made this slide?
PowerPoint.
This is PowerPoint. And in PowerPoint doesn't come like this one.
Yeah, I keep figures.
No. Where is the figure? Figure is not there. Like, could you remember yesterday You boys go that side. Could you remember yesterday's presentation of Arina? So she has brought very lovely diagrams as well. How? It must come, isn't it? So here is given open with Google Slides. So let's see whether there is or not. So we have to be smart as well. Where is it? So gone somewhere else. Actually, this is the punishment given to Smarika because she did not submit the work on time. Actually, what system we have got? Those students who do not submit on time, we will give them more work. Yes or no? So basically, we have to keep in mind, in our body, there are different endocrine glands, but we are discussing only 4 endocrine glands. But out of 6, 2 are heterocrine also. Heterocrine means mixed glands. So this is grade 10. Let's check once. Oh, grade 9. I also became confused because early in the morning. Yeah, glandular system is here. So this is the location of endocrine glands. Pituitary gland lies in brain, thyroid lies in neck, parathyroid lies in thyroid gland only. See, this is thyroid gland, but in thyroid gland there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see parathyroid gland? Yes. So thyroid gland size is much bigger, parathyroids are very small. And next one, pancreas is here, adrenal gland is here, so this triangular shaped, and ovary in case of female, testes in case of male. So here what we have to remember, their location. Where are they located? What type of hormone is produced? Hormone secreted. Like pituitary gland secretes the hormones like stimulating hormones.
Pituitary gland is in different place of male and female?
No, same place. Why?
Oh, that is pineal.
The pineal gland is here, this side. Okay? Same place. Why it's a different one? It is given here, no? Sorry? Pineal gland. No, it is also a kind of endocrine gland, produces hormone, but we have not discussed here. So our basic discussions are only 6 hormones.
It is in pituitary gland.
No, different. Pineal gland is in one place and pituitary gland is in another place. Position is different, function is different, isn't it? So, pituitary gland, next thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal, testes, ovary, and I was talking about heterocrine glands. There are 2 heterocrine glands. One is pancreas, another is gonads. Pancreas produces juices as well as hormone. Testes and ovaries, they also produce juice as well as hormone. Okay. Now it's the turn of next person who also got punishment. That is Ashwin Shrestha. Here punishment means some more work is given. Understood or not? Where is his document? Do you know how to use? Help him.
Put it.
Then today's main presenter is coming. Yeah, is that? You don't know? Then we can do here. So this class 9 also let's open. And let's open this also. When did you send? Ashwin session. Did you send this one?
No, down now.
And another one? Why 2? Viveki, Kritika. Ashwin says this one. Alright. So Ashwin, you must produce a little bit louder sound so that your friends can hear you very clearly, okay?
Namaskar and very warm good morning to respected science teacher and all of my dear friends.
It's me, Ashwin Shrestha, standing in front of you to present my presentation, and my presentation goes like this. My work was to do diagrammatic questions, answer the following question on the basis of given question. Which part of the system shown as an outer surface white? The outer surface that appears white in the spinal cord. This is because the white matter in the spinal cord is on the outside, composed of axons. Number 2. Which part is responsible for the body posture? The part responsible for body posture is cerebrum. The cerebrum plays a key role in motor control and helps maintain posture and balance. Number 3. A person goes in coma after an accident. Which part of their body is injured? If a person goes into a coma after an accident, the injured part is the cerebrum, specifically the cerebral cortex or brainstem, which are crucial for consciousness. Number 4 is a person cannot stand properly after using alcohol. Which part is affected by the alcohol? The part affected by alcohol is cerebrum. The cerebrum is responsible for coordination and balance, and alcohol impairs its function, leading into unsteady movements. Number 5. Which part is responsible for reflex action? The part responsible for reflex action is spinal cord.
Thank you very much. Okay, so Ashwin has done his work. So this is the diagram. Can you see your diagram or not? Yes. So this is the diagram of central nervous system. What is this? Central nervous system. So how is central nervous system made up of? It is made up of brain and spinal cord. The 3 parts of brain are here. What is this? Cerebrum. What is this? Brain stem, or this is also called medulla oblongata here. And what is this? Cerebellum. And this long structure is spinal cord, right? So here were some questions. Which part of the system shown has the outer surface white? Outer surface white is of spinal cord. If we talk about brain, outer surface is grey, inner surface is white. In case of spinal cord, outer surface is white, inner surface is grey. Okay. Group of axon is white in color. Group of cell bodies is grey in color. Second one, which part is responsible for the body posture? For body posture, not cerebellum. Cerebellum. Q or cerebellum is responsible for body posture because it controls. Are you playing with that ball pen there? This is your son. You displace. You go near to the arena and study. Go there. Keep the ball pen there. Why do you need a ball pen now? Move from here. Playing with ball pen. He is checking whether the portion is anterior or posterior. What is this? Focus is 0. Number 3rd. What is 3 here? A person goes in a coma after an accident. Which part of their body is injured? What is injured? Cerebrum. Okay. What is next one? A person cannot stand properly after using alcohol. Which part is affected by the alcohol? That is cerebellum. That's right. And which part is responsible for reflex action? Spinal cord. Right? So that is great. Okay. Thank you, the students who have got this punishment, and I hope next time they will not get punishment. Those 3 were punishment holders. Not done work on time, not sending the emails, and producing very low sound. And when this is the matter of making noise, too much loud sound. As if the walls, they shake like that of earthquakes, seismic waves. Okay, now today's presenter is coming. Krijal, Khadka. Welcome on the stage. No noise.
Sir, I have used animation.
Animation? Yeah. Good. Okay, if you have used animation, which one is just tell me. If animation, then I will just download and then do accordingly. Krijal Khadka. Wait a minute. Sorry? No, without downloading we cannot do, okay? Where is Krijal Khadka? This one, right? Who? You must say. No, if we download, then only we can use, because this is direct email activities, right? Sorry? Oh. He forgets time and again what to do. But he will remember later. Hey, you can go that side, boy. Then it comes clear. Go. Pause and go that side. What's it first? That upper one.
And very warm good morning to our respected science teacher, my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Krijal Khadka, your friend. So today finally I've got the chance to present my presentation, and my topic is.
Oh no, okay. I will do from here.
My topic is all about differences between exocrine and endocrine glands and human hormones. So yesterday Arina is described about exocrine and endocrine glands. So I am here with some differences between them. As she has explained about exocrine and endocrine glands, exocrine glands are ducted. That means they contain pipe, and endocrine glands are ductless. That means they are without pipe. Ducted means they contain pipe, and without ductless means they do not contain any kind of pipe. They secrete juices like mucus, saliva, tear, etc. As we are all known to this saliva, whenever we see any delicious food, our mouth becomes full of saliva. This is due to just of exocrine glands, and they are mainly responsible for secreting the juices. And tear, we are all known to it, and they secrete hormones. Endocrine performs long-term activities. That means it secretes hormones. And exocrine do short-term activities. As we are all know, when we cry, our tears fall from eyes, and it is a short-term activities. But secreting hormone is known as long-term activities. And exocrine gland has consumption of their secretion is more in amount, means they come in vast forms but just for the short time. And secreting hormone by endocrine gland is a long-term effect, and their exocrine secretions are related to life process like digestion, respiration. Their secretions are responsible for control and coordination of growth. It means exocrine glands are mainly responsible for our digestion, or they can also be said as metabolic activities. Just like when we run fast, our respiration becomes fast and sweat comes where exocrine glands are working. But in same condition, our growth, which are very long term, they are controlled by endocrine glands. And next is about distance between the glands and working region of the juices produced by them is less, and distances between the gland and working region of the juices produced by them is more. And for example of exocrine glands, salivary glands, tear glands, and liver, etc. For example of endocrine gland, thyroid gland and adrenal gland, etc. And next it is about human hormones. And as you all know, hormones are chemical substances secreted by endocrine and heterocrine glands. Here is one word, heterocrine glands. It means that heterocrine glands contain the both features of endocrine and exocrine glands. For example, you can see here pancreas and gonads. Pancreas are responsible for producing insulin and glucagon hormones. Also, they produce different kind of juices which are responsible for our metabolic activities, and they provide energy. To the body, but they have effects on growth and metabolic activities. They provide energy also, as well as they have effects on our growth. That means how our mental and physical activity is uplifted in a daily activities. Hormones are popularly known as chemical messengers, as they can chemical communicate among various parts of body. So why are hormones known as popularly known as chemical messenger? It is because they communicate inside our body with the various kind of chemicals reactions. And next is the distances between their origin and working place is more. And if we talk about adrenal gland, it is also known as emergency gland, and it can also be said as fear gland also. And hormones are necessary for body in minutes dose. As we all know, sometimes hypersection can lead to damage our body. Hypersection means more secretion of hormones, and when hyper is removed and it is kept hyposecretions, it means less amount of hormones is produced by our body. As we all know, if we eat something more also it has bad effect, and if we eat something also it has bad effects. So when hormones are produced less also, we have got different kind of damages in our body. And if it is produced in more amount also, hypersection also, then it is bad for our body. For example, we can get an example of different kind of glands for hypersection and hyposection. Here it is a pituitary gland. If the hypersection of pituitary gland is done, is happened in our body, then dwarfism is conducted in our body. That means we become shorter in height. And next is, if its hyposection is done, then
Hypo means more. Hypo is less. Hyper is more.
If hyposecretion is
then dwarfism. If
hypersecretion, then gigantism is happening in our body. So now we are known to hypersection and hyposecretion both. Now next is, if hormones produce less or in an excessive then required quantity, it causes disorder in the body. As I said, if there is more hormones in our body also, it is difficult for us, and less also it is difficult for us. Now if we see in this figure, pineal gland is here, this side, and next is here, this side, and this is the pituitary gland. This is also the pituitary gland. This is in female and this is in male. And this is a thyroid gland. This whole is a thyroid gland. And there are 4 parathyroid glands. 1, 2, 3, 4 parathyroid glands in our thyroid gland. And adrenal gland is located at the top of the kidney. And pancreas is like this in both male and female. And here pancreas is heterocline gland. And gonads also heterocline gland. Ovary are responsible for reproduction in female, and also testes is also reproduction in responsible for reproduction in males. So now by saying this much, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you very much, and have a great day also came, right? Yes, thank you. And what is there? Have a great day. So what a lovely presentation, right? Isn't it? Come, thank you. And what is here? Have a, what is this? Great day. That's good. So students, they are presenting very well, and those students who are a bit weaker in presentation, they must learn. Tomorrow 3 students are going to present. Who is roll number 3? Kritika. How many slides are there? I think 2 slides are there, right? Good. And roll number 4? How many slides are there? I think 3, 4. Means 2 hormones. No, 2 endocrine glands will be explained by Kritika. 2 by whom? Adrenal and thyroid. Yours? Parathyroid. How is pituitary and thyroid. And roll number 5? Your is? What are you going to explain tomorrow? Okay, so tomorrow there will be discussion or presentation of 6 endocrine glands in morning time, and afternoon time we will go for lab, right? And what are you going to discuss? What do we discuss tomorrow? What do you observe?
To say no, you have not said.
I have not said it to do anything. Don't bring anything tomorrow. Tomorrow we will go and observe mainly 2 organs. One is brain, human brain. We have got prototype of human brain, and we have got kidneys of human brain. Your kidneys also, and we will just see all those parts.
Sir,
And
nowadays raw mango is coming, no? Its inside seed is, we can identify, no, monocotyledon, dicotyledon. If someone bring that inside seed of the mango, then it can be seen, no? Because we have not done practical of that kind.
no problem. Okay. Then tomorrow, okay, we will do that experiment also. Tomorrow, some of you bring lychee. Bring lychee. Fruit, main fruit you have to bring, not only seed, so that we can have it and just taste that one, okay? Bring at least 2 lychee, 2 mango, right? 2 lychee, 2 mango, and next one other grains. You can bring gram, next one peas, others rice, maize, whatever is possible, bring. That also we'll discuss, okay? Then we can find out whether that is monocotyledon or dicotyledon. That's right. So tomorrow there is no any dissection works. So next week I may ask you to do, because tomorrow class 10 they will do, and you will observe and perform some minor activities. And morning time presentation, 6 presentations, 3% presentations, and by Sunday we have to complete this chapter. Okay, thank you very much. Now start doing your note making plus question answers.